Hi guys, I took a little bit of a holiday from this project, and well, I'm back. The arbor to mount the wheel for the bandsaw was a real bugger. The arbors I started out with this one. It's a mystery metal. It's in a box that I had, and when I went to cut it, it was extremely hard, and there was quite a lot of material to remove, and I decided to look for something else, and I found this one. It's a weird mandrel. It's an MT2 taper, but the taper was like 6 inches long, and it had a little cutter. If I can find it here. My mess. No. Anyways, it had a little slitting saw type thing mounted on here, and a little brass bushing. And when I went to cut it, I was expecting it to be a lot softer, and it was harder, almost as hard as the other one. But there was a lot less material to remove, so I just took a torch to it and softened it up, and I cut it down. Well, oops. I decided to put spacers here, so all the clamping force will be on the plastic, not on the central bushing. So that way it won't, if it does spin, it won't be spinning on the metal bushing and loosening it up, hopefully. Now, where the heck's the nut? Okay. Back gear. The cutter I'm using is just a high-speed steel point, and it's to get into these corners here. It's a flat top. Usually you want something a little with a steep angle on it, but I want to do both sides with one cutter, so it'll be a flat top. Whether it works or not, we'll see. It's kind of brittle, so maybe it will. A little bit of a wobble. Well, that worked quite well. Took off material faster than I thought it would, which is a bit alarming. So, see if we can align this again. Let's see. Great. I'm hitting right here, so I got to come in with the compound a little more. See what happens. Not cutting so cleanly on this side. working on something black too. It's hard to frickin' see. Well, we're back. You may notice there's a different look to the wheel here. You'll notice the other scene cut out rather abruptly. I didn't notice that the camera was off, so I finished machining and then applied the first coat of rubber, then realized my error. So I'll show you what I did with the rubber coating. I used this product here, liquid tape, and I tried initially brushing it on. So this is the consistency of it. It's like a thin or thick paste, and I used an acid brush. I had it spinning and I tried applying the rubber, but I guess the friction causes the solvent to flash off, and it just sort of balled up and didn't do a very good job. So I'm going to do a second application by hand and show you what I did. I just painted it on nice and thick, couple coats. Stuff's quite good. It's quite hard and should last a while, and you can always repair it quickly if need be. See, I apply it, then I'll turn on the power, spin it to smooth it out, then on low speed I'll keep it spinning until it sets, so you don't get pooling or running. I should do it. Put that over here. Oops. Engage the belt. Clean up the overshoot. It's not bad. Well, I'll do another probably 2 coats like that, and it should be ready to test fit and put the blade on and see what the hell happens. So I guess we'll see you then on the machine. Well, the wheel is mounted, and I've ran it through its paces on some scrap wood and some plastic, and works quite well. There's no flexing in here that I can tell, and have it on 30 psi belt tension. I'll try it on 45 in the future and see if there's any wobbling or flex here, but so far so good. Still need a throat plate and maybe work on the table a bit, but it's good to go so far. I'll turn it on so you can hear the racket. So, I'd like to thank my friends at Matter Things 3D Printing for making the wheel. I will be doing more projects with them in the future, and sure we'll be making some more videos. If you like 3D printing, machining, and general shop stuff, please subscribe, and till next time, to my subscribers, take care and don't play safe. See. And I got a visitor. Okay.